Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who is Tarini in the class? Okay, Tarini, your name. Okay, now it is okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Please do switch on your cameras, everyone. Keep your cameras open. Switch on your cameras quickly. Pratyush, Tarini, Aditi, Meghavi. Beta, simply I'm
Good
saying
morning,
to you,
ma'am.
I'm saying to you, switch your cameras on. If your cameras will be on, you will stay in the class. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the meeting. That's simple.
Good morning, ma'am.
As I will see, good morning. As I will see your cameras off, switched off, I'll throw you out of the meeting. Simple. Please keep your cameras
Ma'am,
on.
excuse me, ma'am.
Tarni, I got it. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I am
Yes.
attending from the PC and it does not have a webcam, so ma'am,
Okay.
I
It's
can't
okay.
open.
I can see. What is your name? Utkarsh.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Utkarsh. Let me check. Okay. Rest of you open your camera. Bhavya, Aditya, Kartike, Alishpa, open your cameras quickly. Quick. Okay. What we were doing previously. Okay. Let me share it with you. That we were doing. We were on this one. These questions we were doing, right? We were on which question? I think so.
Ma'am, page number 11 and the 31st question.
Yes, ma'am.
31 question.
31 question. I can see this. Find the missing number. This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just let me zoom it a little bit. This one. Okay, just wait. Let me just enable the waiting room because all the participants they have entered into the meeting. Almost all of you, those who have given the attendance. Okay. Now let us start doing this one. Okay. So hold your pen if you want to see the how is it rotating and how is it not rotating. So Aditya, yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, by 5, first number is multiplying by 3 and another is multiplying by 6. 5
We
3 is
are
15
doing this one. Beta, we are doing this one.
ma'am, we have done this.
31 questions.
Acha, acha, we are in this one. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am,
this one.
31.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. Speak now, Aditya.
Ma'am,
Ridhima,
5
I'll
is
give you chance.
multiplying by
Hmm.
ma'am, 5 is multiplying by 3 by
Yes.
5 answers and 5 multiplied by 6 is 30.
Yes.
7 multiplied by 3 21. 7 6 are 42. Like
Okay.
this, 9 multiplied by 3 is 27.
So you can say that one side we are multiplying by 3 and on the other side we are multiplying by 6, right? One side by 3
Yes.
and one side by 6. One side by 3 and one side by 6. Like this. One side by 3, this side by 6. So here we will multiply by 3. So answer will be what?
27.
27.
27.
Okay, so 27 is the correct answer. Okay, find the missing number. Okay, Ridhima, can you tell this one? Second one? You were raising your hand. Keep your cameras on, otherwise I have to send you out. Angel, Meghavi, and Aditi.
Ma'am, actually, I was raising the hand for 31 question.
Bit of for raising hand also the camera goes off. I don't know. Yes, Ridhima, tell. Acha, you were
Ma'am, I am saying,
you were raising hand for okay, something else. You were raising hand for what?
ma'am, for 31st question.
Okay, you don't know this one. Try this one. Try. Okay, Bhavya, you know this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, it's something like the pattern goes after multiplying 4 and 16.
Okay.
Then the result will be 16 fours are 64. Then it is the square of the 8.
Okay.
So,
Then
ma'am,
if you
this pattern will move to second one also. 18 8s
but
then
try
18
first in the
8s
third one. Bhavya, first try in the third one. Is it following the same pattern in the third one? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is following the same pattern.
Okay. What is 18? 12 are 27s. What is 12 27s?
Ma'am,
Can you tell me? What
ma'am,
is
it's
12?
324, which is the square of 18.
324. Okay. It is the square root of 18. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So say 18 eights are, what is 18 eights are?
Ma'am, it's
What is it?
144.
144.
144. And 144 is the square root of
112.
12. Very good. 144 is square root of 12. Very good. Understood? You're multiplying these two numbers, and when you're multiplying these two numbers, whatever the answer is coming is the square root. The square root of that number is coming upwards. Good morning. Okay, which of these options will continue established by the same problem? Please do the remote control. Please raise your hand for the remote control if you know how to control this pen and all these. If you can draw this pattern here. And any one of you, if you're not able to understand any question, you can ask me again. Okay?
Morning, ma'am.
That if you're not, good morning.
And I am
Please
not
do
able
switch
to
on your
understand the
cameras.
second one. Can you explain it again?
Which one? Say 30 second, 32.
Yes, and second only.
Beta, there, what we are doing, the numbers which are in below triangle, the lower side of the triangle, multiply those through 2. Like we are multiplying 16 and 4. 16 4s is 64. Okay. Now 64 is the square root of what? You know about square roots?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
8.
8. Yes.
Ma'am, 8.
Similarly, when you
Ma'am, 8.
multiply in the third triangle, when you multiply 12 and 27, you are getting 324. And 324 is the square root of 18. Sorry, square of 18. So 18 is the square root of 324. So 18 is written upwards. 18 8 is 144, and the square root of 144 is 12. So answer will come 12 there. Understood, Utkarsh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Who can control the further 33? Who can get wants this remote control? Wait a minute.
No, ma'am, we don't need any remote control to, ma'am. To, ma'am, mark the screen.
Sorry, what are you saying? Sorry.
Ma'am, we don't need any remote control to mark on the screen.
Okay, if anybody
And we
knows,
just have
raise
to
your
use
hand.
annotate.
Annotate, it is, yes, you can use that, but you can remote control my screen if you want. Okay, I can give you that permission. Raise your hand for that. Please switch on your cameras. Angel Anand, Kartike, Aditya
I'll
Mishra.
be opening in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is some network issue at my end.
Beta, network issues hote hain, so how can I get your voice? I don't know this thing. Huh?
Ma'am, I open my video, then your voice cracks.
Then voice cracks. If you open your video, let me see. Try once. Try once. I want to see. Is it cracking or not? Navya, open your camera. Navya, I know your
Yes,
side signals are good. I know very well. Lakshay, open your camera, quick. Yes, who can answer me this one? Aditya, can you answer this one? Raise your hands if you know the 33 one. Alishba, okay, Alishba. Okay, I'm giving you the remote control to Alishba. Alishba. Now start doing it, Alishba. And explain this. Open your
Ma'am,
mic also. Yes.
Ma'am, in the first block, the arrow is facing to right, and
Yes.
it is it is on the right side, top right side. Then
Hmm.
it comes in between,
Hmm.
and it's facing left side. Then
Hmm.
it comes at the last, and it's facing right side.
Okay.
Again, it comes in the front. It is facing left side, and then it comes in the middle. It is facing the right side. So the next would be facing left side, and at the last.
So you are
Ma'am, in
saying,
the C.
okay, yes. Now you are saying, as Alishba is saying, like Alishba, first of all, we pay attention on this side only. कि ये कैसे movement कर रहा है, not the whole arrow. Okay, आप two things, you are taking two things at a time. This is on the right side. Now its face is on the left side, right? This face is on the. बेटा लेकिन इसमें तो same side पे face है.
No, ma'am, different.
अच्छा, different. Okay. Yes, it looks like same. Like it is facing this side. Now it is facing this side. Now it faces this side. Now it will face this side. Now the arrow will face this side like this.
And ma'am, there
Right?
will be a star, ma'am, because ma'am, it's a pattern like ma'am, ma'am means dot, then plus, then star, then again ma'am dot, plus and star.
Okay. चलो let Alishma now next thing what you were saying for the second thing एक तो face तो हमारे side आ गया हमारे पास आ गया then second thing
Yes,
what
ma'am.
was it about
Ma'am, the
this movement of this arrow first position second position in the middle like this you tell beta
yes, ma'am. Then in the first block, it's a circle. In the
hmm
second, it's a plus, and in the
hmm
third, it's a star.
hmm
Fourth, it's again circle, and then plus. So the block would be a star.
here it will
And
be a
then
star okay she is saying that here it will be a star okay now can you tell this position mid में आएगा बेटा या end में आएगा किधर आएगा this arrow where it will come उसके बारे में हमने इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं ली इसमें
ma'am, what?
दिस एरो इस वाले एरो के बारे में बेटा ये जो लास्ट वाला एरो है ना इसका क्या होगा
Ma'am, it would be the last end.
लास्ट एंड ओके चलो let's see the options now let us see the options here oh let us see the options a star with an arrow this side wait a minute a star with the arrow this side which one is it not working
The
arrow facing this side and the last end with a star okay तो let us हम क्या करते हैं इसमें से let square वाला तो हम cancel कर देते हैं square wala it will be cancelled out okay then the arrow in this end this will be cancelled out now left us these two which will be the correct one
I know the position of star.
MC.
c why
Ma'am,
c
C1.
why c because
Ma'am,
of the position of the
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
star and
because
star
moving.
how
Ma'am,
is it
may I
moving
explain?
so what is the movement can you tell me
Ma'am,
Okay, I
like
just-
firstly, ma'am, the dot is in the corner. Ma'am,
you
like
can
there
control
are.
the
Ma'am,
beta
may I
you can
explain, ma'am?
beta it is not possible you can control it annotate yourself try
Okay,
yourself
ma'am.
Navya
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like, ma'am, there are actually in every line there are some positions like this.
okay
And
1
like
2 3 4
6.
5
Ma'am,
6
first
yes
the circle is there.
yes
Then it will be in the middle. Then after
okay
skipping 2 dots, it will be in the corner. Then
okay
after skipping 3 dots, it will be there where is circle. And then after skipping 4 dots, there will be that plus sign. So
Hmm.
ma'am, if we skip 5 dots after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it should be here.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, may I tell the reason?
Mm-hmm. I got one more reason. Utkarsh, tell. Utkarsh, you can control the
Ma'am,
pen if you
according
want.
to me, the reason
You
is
can
ma'am,
control the
the
pen,
C.
beta. You can control with the
Okay, ma'am.
pen.
Ma'am, according to me, ma'am, the answer would be C because ma'am, in the first one it is in the corner, right, and the arrow is like this. In the
Okay.
second one, the line comes in middle, and
Hmm.
the arrow is like this.
Hmm.
In the third one, the arrow again rotates, but it's in the corner, so it will
Hmm.
again become like this.
Hmm.
So then it again goes up, and it changes its side, and it is in the corner side, right corner. Then it will again go middle, then
Hmm.
again go to the left side, only corner. And
Hmm.
in the C option, we can fully see that there is the line is at the corner side, but in the B, the line is not in the corner side, so we will cancel it out. B.
So cancel out B.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because
Okay.
ma'am, in the B, ma'am, the bottom line is not exactly at the corner like before.
Yes, ma'am.
It should be at right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So C we will cancel out C option because of the arrow's movement. Arrow nahi arrow ke side ka movement, right? And Navya, according to you, because of the side of the star, right? This star
Yes, ma'am, it
circle is
should be
here.
C.
Huh. Circle
Ma'am,
the
B
star
will
is
be cutted, not C.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
B
B will be
will
sorry,
be
sorry,
cutted,
sorry,
not
sorry,
C.
sorry. By mistake, I did it. By mistake. Sorry. So it will be here. C option will be the correct one. Okay, good. Chalo, let us proceed to the next question. We have given a lot of time for this. Okay, wait a minute. Find the number in a certain rule is followed, either row wise or column wise. Oh, I'm not getting this properly. Anyone who can tell me the numbers, I can make it on my screen. Make it on.
Ma'am, 5, 7, and 2.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Where is? Okay, first column. Can you tell me what is there? It is a three columns. 3 columns and 3 rows, right? 3, 2,
Ma'am, 4 rows.
4.
4 rows. Okay. Okay, 3, 2.
4 columns.
Tell me what is
4
3, 2.
columns are there.
I'm not able. Acha. Okay. This. Okay. Is there any number here? 3, 2 के बाद क्या है ये corner में?
5.
5. Okay.
5.
Then 4, 5.
7.
Okay. Then 1, 3. 1, 3. I can see after that.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
Then 26, 38.
26.
Question mark.
Then
Question mark.
Huh?
Question mark.
Question mark.
Okay. Question.
Question mark.
Let me start my video. Okay, this is the question. Can you tell me the reason here? Wait. Oh, wait a second.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Why my video is not showing to spotlight? Wait. Yes. Now I will ask myself, Ayush, tell the reason.
Okay, ma'am. M as in the first column, there is number 3, 4, and 1. M the square 3 is 9, 4 is 16,
Yes.
1 is 1. If we add it, the answer will be 26.
Okay. 9, 16, and 1 is total 26. Okay. Second
Ma'am,
one,
it happens same to the second column.
4,
Ma'am,
25,
same.
and 9. Right? So what is the sum coming? Is it 38 coming? Yes, very
Yes,
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you have to add 25, 49, and 4. So what will you get?
78.
78.
78.
78.
Answer 78.
78.
So correct option is 78. If you want to note down, you can note it down if you want. Squares of each number plus adding them. Squares of each number and adding. Okay, let us start the next one. Select a figure which will continue the same series established. Is it the first chapter going on still? We are on the first chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god,
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
taken a lot of time. Acha, we have one period only in a week, right? That's why also. Okay. Select a figure from the which of jaldi batao. Chalo, quick. Let's finish it quickly. These are of IMO questions, as you can see. All these questions from IMO. Yes,
Ma'am, we have to
you can
cancel
answer me.
out.
Raise your hands if you want to, if you know the answer. Try. I can see a triangle movement here. बहुत easy है ये. सबसे पहले ये triangle का movement check कर लो. Triangle से start करते हैं. It is moving like anti-clockwise direction. No, sorry, clockwise direction. Triangle. First it is here, then it is here in second one, third में यहाँ है, fourth में यहाँ है, तो fifth में obviously, which will be the next, fifth में कहाँ पर होगा? Obviously in the same position.
I'm at the same where it is.
Same position पर होगा triangle.
I mean, you can cancel out B option.
Yes, I can cancel out B option because of it. Because it is not here in this option.
Ma'am, plus option is also, plus the sign is also moving like.
Yes, plus sign is also
Clockwise.
movement like this. Yes, clockwise. It is also moving clockwise and no gap in between.
And
नहीं नहीं,
but
but
in
it is no
psychology
no no
makes
no
sense
beta.
because we
No no
have
no.
the same.
Ma'am, it's
Excuse me, ma'am. It
It
doesn't
is
make sense.
anti-clockwise. It is moving anti-clockwise plus sign. So it will
Excuse
come
me,
in the
ma'am.
same position. Yes yes.
ma'am, the circle
Ma'am,
is
all
moving
the three
clockwise.
options, if
I
we
have
Ma'am,
the
will
plus
see
sign
circle
at the
and
same place.
triangle,
Yes, we
circle,
cannot.
and
ma'am,
plus,
Yeah,
ma'am, in circle will be also at same place.
circle is
but
at the same.
everything is same place except
Ma'am,
that
we have to
till
just change
this
the
side is
sign of
changing.
Yes,
y.
star star. देखो सर्कल भी सेम प्लेस पर है तीनों में, ठीक है. The changes between the signs of M, L and all the and the star. So
Ma'am,
let's check the
ma'am,
different
at the
signals.
place,
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, like we have all these circle, triangle, and a symbol of addition at same place. So
Hmm.
we will change the sign of division.
Hmm.
In second one, it is multiplication.
Hmm.
Third one is ma'am M, and then S, ma'am. It will confuse us, ma'am. The answer will be L because we have to just cancel out others like ma'am
Because
D1. D1 can't
beta, I can tell you in simple words. सारे repeat हो रहे हैं, but except L is not there. सारे के सारे हैं इसमें, but L नहीं है. Every time the sign is changed. Equal to का sign है, इसमें star का sign है, इसमें circle का sorry इसमें M है और इसमें क्या है plus का sign है. Every time there is some new sign. There is some new
Ma'am,
sign.
dollar
M भी आ चुका है, M भी नहीं होगा. स्टार आ चुका है तो स्टार भी नहीं होगा. The only left is L. ठीक है, ये तो हम स्टार्टिंग में ही देख सकते थे. This would be the first one only. Okay, find the missing numbers in all the following three figures.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Alan, you are saying? Yes,
Yes,
Alan.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, first we can add 35 and 28.
Okay.
Then we can divide it by 7 square and the answer will be 9. Then we can do 45 plus
Sorry,
39.
Speak again. What you say? 35 and what you will?
Ma'am, first we will add 35 and 28.
Okay.
Then
That
we
will
will
be
divide
3
it.
and 63 आ गया. ठीक है, 63.
And ma'am, then we will divide it by 7 and the answer will be 9.
Okay. Now
Then
you will add
45
45
plus
and
39.
39. The answer will be 4 and 4, 3, 7. 87.
Ma'am, the
80,
answer will be
84. 84.
84.
Yes.
And we will divide it by 7. Answer will be
Okay.
12.
Okay, very good.
Then
51 and
51
68.
plus 60 is 119.
Okay.
And by dividing it by 7, it will be 17.
Okay, very good. So what we are doing
17.
here, we are adding two up now, these two numbers. We are adding these two numbers and we are dividing it by 7. Adding the upper two numbers and divided by 7. So we will add this. Answer will be 119. It will be equals to 119, and we will divide it by 7. When we will divide it by 7, we'll get what? How much? 7 ones are 7 and
17.
Ma'am,
7
17.
sevens are
17.
17. Yes. 17 is the correct option. Okay. Chalo, next question. Find a missing number if the certain rule is followed row wise or column wise. 633, 772, 722, and 3 question mark 4. Raise your hands. Again, your cameras are off. I don't like teaching like that. Okay, let me ask myself. Pratyush, can you tell me the answer? Pratyush, can you tell me the answer? Aditi, Anushka, can you tell me the answer? Just give me a minute.
Trying this one.
Okay, now let's check. Sorry, I was just. 633, 772, and 3 question mark 4. Ayush, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
What happened? Are you a bit confused? I can see your face. You're a
Yes,
bit
ma'am.
confused over here, huh? That you know
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer, but you're not able to get it properly, right? Yes,
No, I
Bhavya,
don't
tell
know
the
the
answer.
answer. I'm
Ma'am,
only
ma'am,
seeing the
I got
pattern.
the method. Ma'am, I got the pattern in middle one, but not. It is not following first one.
Okay, let's try Bhavya. Bhavya,
Ma'am, I'm just trying. Ma'am, as in the 2 columns, the one number is repeated. So, ma'am, might be in another column, the 4 can be repeated.
okay, this is not the correct pattern. No. This may not be any pattern.
Ma'am, may I tell the middle one?
Huh?
Ma'am, I
Tell.
got that one.
Ma'am, in middle
Yes, क्या
one,
मिला है
Ma'am,
वो
it
middle
is
7
वाला?
very
square
easy.
plus 7 square means 49 plus 49 plus 4 is 102.
Okay.
Ma'am, but in first one, it is not following the same.
Okay, 36 plus 9, 9, 18. 36 plus 19 is what?
Ma'am, 54 will be the answer.
It's not following. ठीक है, फिर नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, I did that 6 square is 36 and 3
हाँ.
plus 3 is 6. 36 plus 6 is 42.
42. चलो अच्छा
And
next में
ma'am,
करते हैं ये.
ma'am, it's
Next में
not
करते हैं.
following the next.
अच्छा, it's not following. 7 का square is 49. अच्छा वो तो नहीं हो रहा, obviously नहीं हो रहा है. Yes. Okay,
Ma'am, a
someone is
pattern
saying,
like
wait a minute. Pratyush is not able to explain, but he's saying the pattern is 35 plus 28 divided by 7. 38. What he has written? Wait a second. कहाँ गया Pratyush?
Ma'am, it was the previous question.
हाँ? अच्छा, he was saying previous one. Okay. हाँ, try this one. देखो आता है. 7, 6 42. 7, 3 21. 2, 3 6. Nobody got the answer. What about Yashraj, Kartikeya? Huh? Lakshay?
Ma'am, I am solving.
You are
Solving.
solving.
Ma'am, I found a pattern in the middle one, but it's not following in the second
हाँ
one.
वही है ना, वो मिडिल वाला जो है वो कॉर्नर वाले में फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है, कॉर्नर वाला जो है वो मिडिल वाले में फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है. This is happening. 6 plus 9 plus 9. Okay, 36 plus 9 and 9 is not possible, but 36 is 6 is possible. That means square वाला तो नहीं यूज होगा इसमें. Try quickly within 1 minute. Let me show the next one. Wait. Today.
I guess the pattern is, ma'am, first one, ma'am, we have 2 digits same. In the second and third, second, we will have 2 digits same
Wait a
as
second.
one,
Wait,
first
wait,
and
wait,
second.
Just give me a minute. Let me share the next thing, then I'm talking. Which is the numbers 4, 3, 4, 3. 11, 20. Huh? What you were saying? Sorry.
Ma'am, I guess the pattern is, ma'am, the last row is of no use, like 42, 102, and 50.
अच्छा,
The uses
772. Here it is 4. Answer will be 4. Yes, this. अब तो मुझे I
Yes,
think so.
ma'am.
The pattern is simple. This is no use. We are repeating these things 633 and 772 like this. We are repeating. Who's entering now? So late.
Yes. Ma'am, it will be 3, 4, 4 then.
Yes, it will be 3,
Yes.
4, 4 simply. Like 3, 3
Not
up.
forming any other pattern.
हाँ,
Am I
इसमें
right?
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So answer, I have not seen the options. So answer will be 3, 4, 4. Let it be 4 only. This is the answer. Or if you get any other method, if you try at your home, okay,
How?
because we don't have so much time here, try at least once. If you're getting any other answer, then tell me, please. Okay? Otherwise,
Please
it will
say
take a lot of time. And we are still on first chapter. Somebody saying something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how 4 came?
Beta, actually 3, 3 is repeating twice. Here 7, 7 is repeating twice. These two numbers are down. This number is 7, 7 twice. So there is any option. There is no any other option 3 here. So 4, 4 will repeat twice. That's
May I tell
That
the
means
next
my
answer?
answer was correct.
huh?
Ma'am, in the question it is written that a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise.
हाँ, तो rule is followed. Rule तो ऐसे भी follow हो सकता है. Try beta. Let's do one thing. Try. Okay. Let it be your homework. Try this question at your home because it will take a lot of time. It will just keep on this question only. It will take a lot
Ma'am,
of
I
time.
but
got
the
the
answer in the bag is 7.
for first one.
May I
What
tell the
happened?
38th answer?
What
Ma'am,
happened?
but
like-
the answer in the bag is 7.
7. Why?
Ma'am, I
Chalo,
don't know.
let's do this
But-
as a question, as a homework. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let's mark 37
Okay.
question as the homework. Mark it as your homework. Question number 37, class 8. Okay, I'm also writing here. Okay, let's do then the next one.
May I tell the next?
हाँ बताओ बेटा जल्दी से quick.
And in the
Wait a
first
minute.
one,
Wait a minute.
ma'am,
Ridhima. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. I'm stopping you. You have given a lot of answers. Let me ask from Ridhima. Ridhima.
Ma'am, in first picture, the semicircle is facing left.
Okay.
In first two pictures, the semicircle is facing left.
Okay.
Then in the second two pictures, the semicircle is facing
It's
the above.
repeating twice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. तो जो
Then
same
right.
है, तो we will cancel out A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next.
Ma'am, then the middle line is first in the left
Okay.
one, and in the second it is again right one, and
हाँ.
then it is two left, then again right two right left.
ठीक है. सब
Right.
में राइट साइड पे है. राइट साइड तो ठीक है, लेकिन कितने होंगे? 3, राइट? 3 will be there, right? 3 होंगे तो किस
Yes,
कौन
ma'am.
सा वाला कैंसिल आउट कर देते हैं? D वाला
Yes,
कैंसिल आउट कर देते हैं. Okay. Then
The arrow that
Difference
is
between
at the bottom is facing left, then right, then left, then right. So now it will face right.
yes, now
Option
it will
B.
face right side. Yes, good, very good. ठीक है? Understood?
option B.
Ayush, are you getting the answers, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, next one. Select a figure from which of color continuous series app. Wait a second, just give me a second. Yes, now let's start. A is F, A, B, C, D, E, next will be F, obviously F, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
इतना तो समझ आ रहा है,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you cancel out
A is the
3, this
Ma'am,
will
C and
cancel
D
out.
cancel out.
Yes, ठीक है? U, V, W, X है, now see the lines. Lines देख लो
And
किधर है.
A will be the correct option, I think.
A will be the correct option. Why?
Ma'am, it is-
जल्दी से बताओ
Ma'am, it
why.
is moving
Ma'am, because
anti-clockwise.
the line
will come in
is moving.
It is moving anti-clockwise.
Okay,
Right.
line movement is here like this in the corners. Line is not never coming in between, so it will be in the corners. Okay,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is moving clockwise. Like it is moving clockwise. So A is the option. A is the correct option. It is moving clockwise, so it has to be in the corner, this side. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? अरे नहीं
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise it is moving ना. हाँ तो ठीक है A option. That's what I think. Find the missing number as the rule is followed. जल्दी से देखो.
A.
Why?
25, 30, 35.
25, 35. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
these are
is 3,
multiples
4,
of 5,
5.
6, and 7.
Ma'am,
And
5.
35 is the answer. Ma'am, 35 is the answer.
Ma'am,
Why?
35 will be the answer.
क्योंकि नीचे हमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. 25, 30 and 35 like this.
Ma'am,
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 15,
20,
I'm in
25,
the upper blocks.
5 multiplied by
Ma'am, in the
3,
Beta,
4
if you
and
lower
5.
speak
left
like that, I
block,
will not be able
the
to hear a
number.
single one of you.
Ma'am,
If
may I
you'll
tell?
speak like
Ma'am,
that,
all.
Aditya,
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
tell?
may I?
Ma'am,
Aditya,
may I tell?
Aditya,
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
wait.
in ma'am, ma'am,
Aditya,
in
stop.
first 20.
Aditya,
Ma'am,
stop.
may I tell?
I'll not be able to hear like that if you'll all speak like that. Angel, you want to answer, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell the answer.
Ma'am, in the first triangle, we are following the table of 5. Then in the second triangle, we are following the table of 6. Then in the third, we are following the table of
Table of
7. That
seven,
is
okay.
21, 28, then 35.
ठीक है, okay. 3s are 4s and 5s are we are doing, right? 5 3s are
Ma'am, I
55,
have
4s
another
25,
method
5s are
also.
25. Okay, who said
In
another method
different
also?
sections.
Who said
Ma'am,
another
I
method?
have, ma'am, Laksh.
Laksh, okay, tell the reason, beta.
Ma'am, in the in the bottom, ma'am, in the bottom digits, ma'am, 15, 20, ma'am, the difference is 5. Ma'am,
Okay.
5 into 5, 25. In the second, 18 and 24 difference is 6. 6 5s are 30. And when 21 and 28 difference is 7, 7 5s are 35.
Yes, actually this is an वो कहते हैं ना equation form बन जाती है. This, yes, you are also correct. Both the answers are
I
correct.
have different one.
Huh? You can? Sorry,
Ma'am, I have different one.
different one na. That's because you are following the equations होती है ना. Equations you can form it in different ways. Yes, Navya, you can tell yours.
Ma'am, ma'am, in this one, ma'am, we are following the table of 5, in this
Yes.
3, and in this 4. Ma'am,
Okay.
these 3 are multiplied by 5. Then 6 in the same section. This is for like
That
3 5
was
is 15,
same was told by the
20.
first one. The angel told the same method, beta. आप कह रही हो उसे 3 4 5 से multiply कर रहे हैं. I said that is a table of 5, it is a table of 6, and it is a table of 7.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have
Both
another.
of you are saying the same thing but in different ways. That's it. Okay. Now next question. This one. Oh, it's very much confusing. You have to draw the
Ma'am,
whole
it is
pattern
very
like
easy.
yourself. नहीं, but
Ma'am, it's
confusing.
very
I know it's very easy, but you have to draw it, right? Okay, let me use a line.
Ma'am, you have to put
I think
just
it will
the
be same.
Let me
Choose
use a
the
thinner
answer.
line like this. आपको ये circle देखना है बीच में. Obviously, अच्छा ये नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा. अरे, this is this much only.
Ma'am,
अरे,
option C.
Yes,
ये भी
very
नहीं होगा.
easy.
So option
It's only
C.
a
We don't have to see the whole things. Okay, उसका shape भी हमें in which quadrant is it? We can say first quadrant is it? It is the first quadrant, so we can pick up the first quadrant, stick it there. Simple. बाकी सबका face ही wrong side है. Face से we can recognize it. Okay, now this one. And please send me the next PDF. I will ask myself in the next period. Okay, see this one. How is it moving? See the movements. Done? Seen? Any one thing you can tell, any one thing, any movement if you come to know.
Ma'am, I have found the pattern, one thing.
Which one?
Ma'am, it's like, ma'am, in the first one, ma'am, ma'am, in the first one, ma'am, C changes to S. In the second one, ma'am, the right to the S is also O changes to the star. Then the right to star is equal to, so equal to changes into a triangle. Then right to triangle is a multiply sign. So the multiply sign changes to a triangle. So ma'am, in the next one, ma'am, X will change. So ma'am, we have to find a one where S should be not there. So ma'am, A is the
No
answer,
other
ma'am, because
movement
in
is
rest
going on. Is there any movement going on in these scenes? Have you seen any movement here? In any
not
one of them?
movement, but ma'am, ma'am, S is
first
not.
that
Answer
it
should be A only.
first one and then it is in square order.
Sorry, Aditi, speak again.
The first one is in diagonal order, x equal to C and O, and the next is in square order.
Okay. Acha, you are saying diagonally order and the square order, right? So square order will be there. Okay, all the four options are in square order. Yes, Navya?
I have found like, ma'am, every shape has a timeline. Ma'am, like, ma'am, every
Ma'am,
set
this is
is
what I was saying.
changing